Hola, welcome. How's everybody doing? Please come on in. This is a showroom here in Delta Towers at Alamar. I trust you will find whatever you are seeking. And this is the perfect combination between jungle, the nature, the ocean, the city, the mountains at the back. I mean, we do this with our heart. We do this with the best intentions to give you what you're looking for, to exceed your expectations. You can see this calm. You can hear it, you can feel it. It's quite different. Once you're here, it's so much better. It's so much that we like to offer to you that we have. We work this to give you very efficient spaces, giving you the luxury, the openness that you are seeking to have the best out of the views, the best out of privacy, exclusivity. I mean, we're building this with parota carpentry, which is a tropical wood. It's perfect for this weather. Marble on the countertops and the showers. Concrete, bricks on every single wall. Granite on the countertop of the kitchen. I mean, we are very proud of what we do. We like what we do and we like to share it with you. Please join us. We are here to assist you in the best way. This is a 1,500 square feet apartment. This is a 2-bedroom. We have 1, 2, and 3. This is kind of an overall of what we do. It's a very good materials. It's low maintenance. It's easy to keep it up. It's easy to enjoy it, and that's what we're looking for. I mean, you have at the Beach Club, you have the Jungle Club 1, you have on the back, you have the Jungle Club 2 here, and the idea is for you to experience in different ways what Alamar has to offer you. And you have all these green, you have hiking trails, bird watching areas, meditation areas. You have all these different spaces for you and your family or your loved ones to share these experiences, these moments. This is built to last. This is important for us, for you to come here, check us out, inquire, ask as many questions as you want, and you will find a good answer for each one of them. We are very committed to this development, to developing the area. We've been around for 20 years in the Bay. The main corporation has been in Guadalajara for 45 years. We have an excellent record of delivered and title, so please come take a look at us, get to know us, get away. This is a new home. It's a second home. It's ready for you. So welcome, and hope we can have you visit soon. It will be worth it. It's so much more.